So you may have heard a lot of people going on about coconut oil, including myself. That's because it is genuinely a natural beauty miracle product and a complete skin solution. I think everyone deserves to know just how deadly this stuff really is. You can buy it in pharmacies and chemists, however, it's the exact same as buying it in bulk in the supermarket. At body temperature, coconut oil melts. Containing mostly fats, it is a highly effective emollient, increasing skin surface lipids which soften irritable skin. The medium chain fatty acids found in coconut oil provide vital nutrients and energy when ingested or when applied topically to the skin. Coconut oil, preferably organic and unrefined, moisturizes, nourishes and protects the skin while fighting acne, eczema and even aging. It coats the skin, penetrating it and soothing it. It banishes dryness, prevents wrinkles, does not clog pores, and its antimicrobial properties kill bacteria. It also contains antioxidants, which fight the nasty free radicals that destroy elastic tissues. Please share this video and leave a comment with any alternative uses you have found for coconut oil. If you've never tried it, what are you waiting for, you crazy fecker? I got this whole tub for €5. Super value, shopping as it should be!